to see the essential parts of any C program. In this video, we will learn how to pass array elements to a function. For that, obviously we have to declare the size and the index number, two variables n and I. This n stands for the size of an array and this I the index number. Now we have to show the user a message to enter the size. Now the user will be prompted to enter the size, and for that we have to scan that number. So I am using here a scanner function, and ampersand n will scan the size that, and this n stands for the size. Okay, we have taken the size. Now it is time to declare the array. Once you have the size, you may declare the array. Okay, I have declared the array with name A. Now an array contains many elements, so obviously the user must enter the values for the element. For that, we again show the user a message. The elements are this is the message, and for the elements are with index number, so we use the for loop, and index number starts from 0, it goes up to n-1. So here the statement, the condition is I less than n, and index numbers are at a distance 1, so I++ here to increase the value of I by 1 after each run. And here the scanner function again to scan the values for the elements, %d, and here will be a ampersand ai. As I goes from 0 to n-1, all the values will be scanned. Now it is time to use the function, because this video is used to function to transfer the elements to function. So I have to call a function. Okay, here I am calling a function fun. Here A is the array name, and here n is the size. So I have passed two arguments, and the arguments inside the calling function are called actual arguments. There are two arguments, and we have to declare the function. The function is declared below the last header file. So I am going to declare here void type function, void fun, and obviously there will be two arguments, because here you see a and n. And one thing here you have to note that a is not a variable, a is an address, and second argument, that is n, it is a variable. First is an address and second is variable. So inside this, for the address we type int star, and for the variable we type int. Okay, the function declaration is complete. Now we type the same thing. It comes to type the function definition. Here you may choose other array named B, suppose, and you may take M. So here B is the address and M is the integer. So here int M, and here address, since B is a address, so to convert it into variable we here type star B, and here will be, now since star B is a variable, then we may type int here as well. Now here it comes to print the array elements. So to print the array elements, first we take the index. For that, here I declare one more variable, suppose it is I, and now the printf function to print the array elements. Before that, we will show the user a message printf, and here we type the message, the array elements are, and here will be, you may type here the transferred array elements are, and thereafter we use the for loop, and here I will be 0, I will be less than. Remember, we cannot write here I less than n, because inside the body of the function we have not declared n as a variable, we have declared m. This m is, and because this is the second argument, and you see the second argument inside the function call is n, so this n will be equal to this m. So here I have to write m, and you know index are at a distance 1, so I plus plus, and here will be printf function to print the elements %d at a tab distance, so \t, and here will be, since our variable is star b, so here will be star b plus I. Okay, and thereafter there is no need to write return inside the body of fun function, because this function is of the type void. Now our program is ready. This is the whole program, entire program you can see now. Okay, I am going to run it. It says enter the size, so I am entering 3. Now I have to enter 3 numbers, 3 digits for the array elements. 56. You can type any 3 digits, 3 numbers, 3 integers. I typed first as 56, second 78, the third one 90. Thereafter I am going to press the key enter. You see our This is the output, and you can check. This is the output. You can check that this statement, the transferred array elements are. This statement is written by me inside the body of fun function. Inside the body of function, not inside the body of main function. So this output has been given by the calling function named fun, fun, fun. So this is the way to transfer the array elements into the function. This is very important because in later programs you will see this concept, and I will use again and again this concept in later complex programs. So the viewers should understand this program very clearly. If you have any doubt, then you may ask in the comment box of this video.